If you come across this video, please, I want you to like, love, and share this video. I have a message for Father Ebube Dike and Father Kelvin Ugwu. You see, this is yet another clear evidence that what you give out, what most people give out, they cannot receive. What people give out, they cannot even receive or take half of it back. You see, just look at what Jonah Chibundo said about you and Father Kelvin Ugwu. And both of you have started running kitty, coming with a lot of intimidation, threat, and all that. Legal action, whatever, blah, 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 blah. What exactly you, Father Ebube Dike and Father Kelvin Ugwu, what both of you has been doing to Evangelist Ebuka Obi for the past 2 years, and he has ignored you people. There is nothing that can be said. There is nothing that can be said that both of you have never said to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Yet, just like a Christian, just like a real Christian who is devoted in the things of the Lord, he ignored both of you and he kept on praying for repentance. He kept on praying that God should show both of you mercy. Just look at just a little dosage of what both of you. I even saw where you are trying to explain to us what defamation and insult, the clear difference between defamation and insult. So now, between defamation and insult, which one? Which of them exactly have you been dishing out to Evangelist Ebuka Obi? I want to know, between defamation and insult, which one exactly have you been giving to Evangelist Ebuka Obi for the past 2 years? Have you seen? You clearly cannot take quarter of what you give out. As a true Christian, you have consistently preached to Evangelist Ebuka Obi on how to be a true Christian, how to carry himself as a servant of God, how to do this, how to do that. But you cannot even tolerate water. Mind you, this is just a step and the whole tables are already falling apart. Now to Jonah Chibundo. That lady deserves to be protected. That lady deserves to be protected by all means. That lady deserves to be protected by all means. I don't know whatever that is going on, but just like Father Kelvin Ugwu and Father Ebube Dike has been analyzing Evangelist Ebuka Obi, numerous of accusations that people have been laying on him, telling us that there is no smoke without fire, that people cannot be calling his name for nothing. That why is it that everybody is always mentioning your name and calling your name? That there must be something there. I put it to you that this lady cannot just get up from one place and just come out and start mentioning your names. Allegedly, I am putting it that this lady cannot just come out all of a sudden and start mentioning your name and Father Kelvin Ugwu's name just for nothing. There is no smoke without fire. Allegedly, just like she's alleging. I saw where she took back the apology she gave, saying that she did it under duress. And knowing the way, the pattern, and the modus operandi in which some of you priests handle your things so that you can be able to cover your little secret, just to show to people that you are the only angels that are existing left in this world. You see? So that lady must be protected by all means. I'm not even saying that what she's saying is true. Allegedly, I'm just stating it as alleged. Are you getting my point? But that lady must be protected by all means. And if you know anyway, if you know anyhow, I can get across to that lady. I don't care wherever she is. I don't care wherever she is. If you know any information of how I, Ezugo, can get in contact with that lady, do it ASAP. I need to have a very wonderful discussion with that lady. And that lady deserves to be protected so that they cannot use through wulu or wulu. Just look at how you are having sleepless night. Just within how many days you have made how many posts back to back. Just within how many, yet you are the one who is advising Evangelist Ebuka Obi on how to control other people's reaction. His loyal people who are loyal to him, people who are sympathizing with him on all the stuff that you people have been melting on him. You are now advising him on how to control his own other people's actions that you know he doesn't have control of. But you cannot control your own reaction and anger as a priest of God. You have spoken to your lawyer already. You are threatening legal action already. Is that what Bible said? When they slap you in this part of your sheet, turn the other one. When they slap you here, turn the other one. There is no manner of sermon you have not given to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. You are playing both the victim and the oppressor at the same time. You are playing both the victim and the oppressor at the same time in the matter involving Evangelist Ebuka Obi. So I am calling on people to be at alert. Watch over that lady. Link me anyhow I can get in contact with that lady. Remember what I said. Allegedly, what that lady said, there may be atom of truth because they made us to believe that there is no smoke without fire. Do you want me to go and bring or record? Of course, all the videos and articles that you and Father Kelvin Ugwu wrote and they made about Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they are all recorded. They are all recorded. Somebody, I will be playing it one after the other. I will be playing it one after the other. I will be playing it one after the other. Even when the incident of that lady from Enugu, Lovette, happened, and so many others, we know your analysis. We know your stand. We know how you handle those issues, even when you don't have any evidence, even when you know you are not speaking from the conviction of your mind. Evangelist Ebuka Obi did not sue any of you. He did not even react by either a spoken word or by written document to any of you. It was just those people who love him that are just rising up in defense for him. Now, just a little blah, 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 and the vibration has started everywhere. So now, if you know how I can get in contact to Jonah, Chibundo, or what? Or Jonah, Chibundo, if you are here, if you are hearing what I am saying, please reach out to me. I have a very important discussion with you. We want to know. You know, a lot of all these people, you have a whole block here, and you are trying to remove a little sand from mine. Enough of all that. So I know a lot of people will say, Ezugo, you are no more talking, you have been quiet. No, this particular matter, we are going to follow it to the conclusion. This matter now involving these angels in human form, we are going to follow it to the logical conclusion. Share this video. This is Ezugo. Share this video. This is Ezugo. Too many articles, threats, or whatever you call it, cannot, even if you manage to succeed using them to subdue this matter, we will make sure that the record will be there. The count will be there. You can't give you can't receive even or take a little of what you have been dishing out to an innocent man all this while. You even have the God to come out on Facebook to start to raise alarm. For who? For who? Go and check your reactions and your actions against a man who has not done anything wrong to you. Who has not done anything wrong to you. Imagine if he tried to do even quarter in his own capacity and level of what you are trying to do to this lady. How will you feel? And what will be your fate? not even minding that you guys are even a Catholic priest. Share this video. As we go, that lady must be protected by all means. Share this video.